Welcome to today's short and sweet journey into the world of cold outbound. Today's topic is subject lines. I'm going to reveal something that might just change your whole perspective, the unexpected benefits of two-word subject lines, all in lowercase. Sounds simple, right? I know, but trust me, these snappy little subject lines are more powerful than you think. Imagine this, your inbox is flooded with emails, and there it is, a subject line that's just two words, all in lowercase. It's the diamond in the rough. This minimalistic approach is intriguing, and here's why it can work wonders for your open rates. Number one, intrigue generator. Two-word subject lines create mystery. They're the hook that makes people want to click. Quick processing. They're fast to read and understand, making an immediate impact. Mobile friendly. They look great on phone screens, easy for on-the-go reading. Less intimidating. These subject lines come off as friendly, easygoing, making people more open to engage. Unconventional appeal. Standing out in a crowded inbox is a breeze when you're different. Brevity appreciation. People love clarity and brevity. Short lines feel refreshing and to the point. Improved deliverability. They're less likely to look like spam, landing more often in the main inbox. Minimalistic approach. A simple style seems smarter, focusing on what really matters. Boosted open rates. These subject lines catch the eye, sparking curiosity and leading to more opens. Perfect for A/B testing, so they're easy to compare, helping you quickly find what works and refine your strategy to get the best open rates possible. And there you go. That's it. Isn't it amazing what two little words can do? Give it a try in your next email campaign and enjoy at least a 10% increase in your open rates. And hey, if you've got some cool email strategies up your sleeve, drop them in the comments below. The plan is to make the comments section as actionable and valuable as Outbound Hub, the community myself and Lily are building for all people doing outbound. Let's share the wisdom and up our email game together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insider tips. Go out there and use these two-word subject lines to make your emails irresistibly openable.